everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video, I'm going to take you to a beautiful place right here in Colorado Springs while I'm telling you some reminders. Come on with me, guys. Alright guys, so on the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Styling My Way. Just style any item, any area, or any room your way, reveal, upload your video, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so let's not forget our open playlist. So on Sunday the 18th, we have quick and easy meals at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on over to the 19th. So on the 19th, I have the foodie grocery haul, and I also have home cleaning motivation. Both of those are updated every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so on the 20th, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have no guests this month, and so it's freestyle. Alright, so on the 21st, I'm so excited. I have the Reese Galore collaboration at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just make any wreath, swag, garland, centerpiece in your video reveal, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Really exciting, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Now on the 22nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Fall is Coming Tea Party collaboration. That's being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Let's move on to the next one. On the 24th, we have the Warm and Cozy Fall Entryway Refresh, and that's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm really excited about that one. So let's move on to the next one. Now on the 26th, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Cozy Corner or Vignette collaboration, and that's a pretty awesome collab, guys, so I can't wait to see you there. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so on the 28th, we have a new collaboration, and it's called the Fall Beverage Cart collaboration. That's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait. This will be my first one. Let's move on to the next one. Now on the 29th, we have the Fall Leaves Tier Tray collaboration at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm really excited about that one, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Now on the 30th, we have the Enter into Fall Wood Serving collaboration at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am excited about that one too. Guys, I'm excited about all of it. So let's head on over to the next one. Okay, so on the 31st, last but not least, we have the Living the Outdoor Life collaboration that's being hosted by Design with Emma, and it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I cannot wait to see you in all these collaborations. Let's have some fun, guys. And isn't this place amazing? I look at this every day and I feel like I'm not even here on this earth. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you have an amazing day. Write these collaborations down, pause after each one, guys. And yeah, God bless you.